Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be starting something new. I'm pretty sure that if you're a beginner to Solana and meme coins trading, you are pretty lost and you don't know where to start, what to use, what are the optimal settings, and so on. That's why we are starting the copy trading series that are gonna take you from zero to hero. Therefore, we're gonna be explaining basic concepts and slowly advance to the more complex ones. So for example, we're going to be talking what are meme coins, how can they be traded, what to use, what is copy trading, and also we're going to dig deeper into wallet analysis and tracking, as well as some live examples to end up showing the results we get through this whole series. And along this series, we're going to be dropping some tips and tricks. To begin with, we're going to explain how does the Solana chain work. Everything starts with your wallet. This is your digital identity on the Solana blockchain and is where you're storing your meme coins, your stable coins, your Solanas, and so on. Later, we're going to explain how to identify a wallet, how to analyze it, how to track it, and so on. So don't worry. Next up, if you want to perform a transaction, especially when you buy or sell a token, we're going to have to pay a lot of attention to the priority fee, which dictates how fast your transaction is going to go through. Imagine you're at the supermarket in the queue waiting to pay for your groceries, but you want to get as fast as possible. Therefore, you will have to pay more fees than the rest of the people to go faster. Once you have your data set up, like the transaction fee, wallet, tokens you want to trade, you're going to submit your transaction data to the validator leader, which later on is going to split it to the child validators who are going to perform parallel validations to end up confirming your transaction. Don't worry, we're not going to get into the technical part of this, but keep in mind that the most important part of this whole schema is the priority fee, which is what we are interested on since we're going to be trading meme coins and we want our transactions to be as fast as possible. But once again, don't get worried because we're going to go into this topic a little bit deeper later on in the series. Alright, now that you know how Solana blockchain works, you might be wondering what is copy trading? Well, copy trading means you are going to mirror a wallet. Therefore, you're going to do the same thing the wallet does. For example, let's say this wallet is your target wallet that you are copy trading. Let's say that this wallet purchases dog with hat. If you're using a specific tool that we're going to introduce later on, this transaction is going to trigger your wallet transactions and therefore you're going to end up buying this token too. The whole point of copy trading is being as fast as possible. Therefore, let's have a quick look on the tools we're going to be using. For the tools, we're going to have 4 categories: copy trading, charting, which means looking at the charts, analysis for both token and wallets, and tracking. For copy trading, we're going to be using Odin Bot, which is the fastest bot out there. If you want to sign up, you have the first link in the description. Once again, this is going to be the tool that we're going to be using during the whole series. Once you click the link in the description, you're going to be redirecting to this app where you have to click here. You're going to register and you're going to be able to copy trade. Don't worry, there is another video incoming explaining how to use it in depth. Nonetheless, I do already have a video explaining how Odin Bot works, and you're going to find the link in the description. For charting, we're going to be using GMGN, Dex Screener, Define.fi, and Photon. Once again, these tools are solely going to be for chart analysis. We're going to be using them for copy trading because we already do have Odin Bot. For analysis, especially for wallets, we're going to again be using GMGN since it has built-in features for both tokens and wallets. And by the way, you already have a complete tutorial on how to use GMGN on the channel, but we're going to be going much more in depth in the upcoming videos. We're going to be using SoScan, which is the most famous block explorer for the Solana blockchain. We're going to be using Cielo Finance, which is another tool that we're going to be using for wallet analysis, and Wallet X. And to track the wallets, we're going to be using mainly two bots. Both of them are for Telegram, and they are the most used bots, which are Raybot and Defiant Bot. Once again, guys, this is just the first video, so don't worry. We're going to take you step by step until you become a profitable trader.